Microsoft 365 Copilot can help you to do lots of things within Excel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Copilot to cleanse messy data within Excel quickly so you do not have to do this manually one by one. Here we have this table with simple sales records, but the data is very messy. You can see the customer name, many of those may not have the proper capitalization. They may have leading space in the front. They may have extra space at the end. You may have missing customer name, and the city also, they may not have the right capitalization, extra space in the front at the end, and also product name may not be consistent. And some of the dates over here, those are not true dates, those are actually text. And you may have missing quantity, missing total amount. And also we may have duplicates, like this order ID 1002 appear here, and it also appear here. So given this table, we wish to cleanse the data to have the right information in place for us to process data to get the insight. This will be done by using Copilot rather than for us to do ourselves manually. Now, before you use Copilot, you need to make sure your Excel file is in the cloud on Microsoft OneDrive or Microsoft SharePoint. If your Excel file is on your local computer, not on the cloud, then Copilot cannot work on that file. First, we need to identify where the Copilot button is. The Copilot button used to be actually in the Home tab in the ribbon on the right side over here. But recently, Microsoft has moved the Copilot button to the bottom right corner of your Excel window over here. And if you don't like this floating button, you can right mouse click to dock it on the side as a tab. Now, before I use Copilot, I want to create a copy of the sheet so later on I can compare what's before, what is after. To create a copy of this sheet, I will hold down my Control key, then use my mouse to drag this sheet tab to the side. Then now I'm creating a copy. Now in this copy, I'm going to activate Copilot. And now you see on the right side, we'll have the Copilot pane come up. And in order to have Copilot to work on your Excel file directly, you need to have a tool to be activated, which is called Edit with Copilot. For now, on my computer, it is active already. So this button over here says you can now stop editing with Copilot. If I click on this course, that will stop that. That means now from this Copilot pane over here, you're only asking questions, get an answer, but you're not changing anything within Excel file. If you want to change anything within Excel file, you have to activate that Edit with Copilot, which will be done over here. You click on this tool button, and you will click on this Edit with Copilot, which allows direct edits to your workbook. So I will click on that. Now the Edit with Copilot is on. Then I'm going to ask Copilot to please cleanse the data in this worksheet. And then I'm going to send this prompt. Now, Copilot every time may give you different results. I have done this quite a few times. Sometimes it did the work directly. Sometimes it will tell me what's happening over here and what I wish to do, how to handle different variations over here. So now over here it says cleanse the data, and it identified the issue like on customer name. The city has inconsistent casing, leading, trailing space, and one missing value. And product, the date, quantity might be missing, total calculation may not be right. So it says, before I proceed, I have a few clarifying questions. How should I handle missing value? Option 1, 2, 3. How should I handle the duplicate order? Option 1, 2, 3. Should I recalculate total amount? For standardizing text, which casing should I use? So now let me provide my answer for this. For question number 1, I will go with option number 2. And for question number 2, I will go with option 2. Then with question number 3, should I recalculate? Yes. So I'm going to choose option 1. And then for option number 4, I will choose the answer number 1, proper case. So I will send my request. And so it will take a little bit of time for Copilot to do the work. So now within about like 45 seconds, Copilot did the work and the action has done, like duplicate removed, text standardized, spacing fixed, dates standardized, for missing value it did something, and total amount being recalculated. So now this is the result. You can see all those customer name has a proper case, and that duplicate record old ID 102 is not here anymore, and we only had that one over here. Now I want to compare this new table with the table we had before. In this origin sheet called data, we have this old data. In the new sheet called data 2, we have the data being cleansed. So I want to compare the two tables side by side. Then we'll go to the View tab to open a new window. So click on New Window. So now I have two windows of the same file. Then I'm going to view them side by side. I go to View tab and click on this icon, which will be View side by side. I want to compare that to the first window of the same file. Now I want to remove this Copilot pane so I can compare the records. So on my left side, I want to go to the original data sheet. And on the right side, I need to make this a little bit smaller. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see all the records. So on the left side, I have the data worksheet, which has the messy data. On the right side, I have the cleansed data. So you notice those customer name, they have their name being cleansed with proper case, and that missing record over here, now we have this unknown in its place. All the city names before was like that, and now they have a proper case. For the one being blank, it's been filled with unknown. Also product name, now it's all proper name. Before it didn't have the proper case. And all the dates over here, before some of the text, but now they're all true dates. So Copilot did this in just maybe 2 minutes and fix the whole thing, rather than for us to take in a few minutes or even 10 minutes to go through each single cell to correct them ourselves. Now I'm going to close one of the two windows to have only one window. Let me activate Copilot again. I want to ask Copilot to create a summary based on this data from this new cleansed data set. So my prompt will be the sentence over here. I will just copy that and I will type or paste that in over here and send in my prompt. Again, I may need to wait for 20-30 seconds to get the result. Okay, so now Copilot has done the summary, creates table on the side over here, and those are actually formulas with some ifs function to sum the total amount based on the city and the product. So I want to confirm if those are correct. So I want to create my own pivot table over here to see what the result will look like. So I will click into my data range, go to Insert tab to insert pivot table. I will leave the pivot table to be in this position, and I will say OK. We're going to have the total amount to be summarized, and we'll have the city going down in the row. We'll have the product going across in the column, and the calculation will be sum rather than being count. So we change that to sum. So now let's compare the two tables. This is produced by Copilot with some if function, and here is what I did based on the pivot table. So 320 for Toronto headphones, which is here, and 160 for Victoria. That's correct. And here 270 over here for keyboard, 3,600 over here. Monitor 1200, 900, which is over here. Mouse 250, 125, 250, 125. Oh, here I have a 100 for the unknown. And in the Copilot, it didn't list the unknown in here. So we have this unknown city, and So the Copilot chose to not include that city. So I guess now we have the total amount has this variance of that $100 because this record over here is not included in the Copilot work. So that's why even though Copilot can help us tremendously, but we still have to verify. It's our responsibility. We have to make sure Copilot did the right work for us. Copilot can definitely help you to automate many manual tasks. But before you turn on Edit with Copilot, I would suggest you strongly to save a backup copy of your Excel file, in case what Copilot did is not what you wanted. So you still have the original file in place with the original data. I hope you find this video valuable. Please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.